Stop saying very good or very bad. It makes your English sound robotic. In this video, we are going to replace your 5 most boring habits with strong, natural adjectives you can use immediately. By the end of this podcast, you will know exactly how to express extreme emotions without using the word very. Here is the plan for today's session. First, we learn the strong word rule. Second, we listen to a dialogue about a winter vacation using these words. Third, we do a shadowing drill so you remember them forever. Let's begin. Welcome back to English Speaking Corner. I'm Speaker 1, and with me today is Speaker 2. Today, we are tackling a huge confidence killer, the word very.
It's the easiest word to fall back on, isn't it? If you feel strongly about something, you just slap very in front of any adjective. Very good, very hot, very tired.
Exactly, but native speakers and advanced English speakers don't use very that often because it actually weakens your sentence. It suggests you couldn't find the correct single word. We want to be precise. Think of it like this. If you say the house is very big, the listener only gets a general idea. If you say the house is enormous, they immediately picture something truly massive.
That sounds much better. So the strong word we mentioned is simply this. Replace 2 weak words, very plus adjective, with 1 powerful adjective. It saves time and makes you sound more intelligent.
That's the core idea. We have identified 5 high-frequency adjectives that A2 learners overuse with very. If you master these 5 swaps, your English will instantly sound 50% better, starting today. Let's look at the first one. Swap 1, very cold.
This is a common one, especially when describing the weather.
Instead of very cold, use the word freezing. Freezing is a strong adjective, meaning intensely cold. You don't need very because the word freezing already contains the idea of very cold.
So instead of, I need a coat because it is very cold outside, you say, I need a coat because it is freezing outside.
Perfect. And here's a tip. You can use intensifiers like absolutely or really with strong adjectives, but never very. So, it's absolutely freezing is correct, but it's very freezing is incorrect. Takeaway. Use freezing to describe weather or objects that feel intensely cold. Swap 2. Very good.
The most common adjective in the English-speaking world.
It is. If you want to praise someone or something genuinely, use words like amazing, fantastic, or excellent. If you are talking about something highly successful, use brilliant.
So if someone cooks me dinner, instead of saying, this meal is very good, I can say, this meal is amazing.
That sounds much more heartfelt. If the results of a project were positive, instead of the report was very good, you could say the report was excellent. This shows confidence in your vocabulary. Takeaway. Pick 1 strong word, amazing or excellent, and use it instead of very good, starting today. Swap 3. Very tired.
This is essential for talking about work or demanding tasks.
When you are very tired, you are usually exhausted. Exhausted means completely worn out, lacking energy. It's a beautifully descriptive word.
For example, after running that marathon, I was exhausted. That paints a clear picture. Saying I was very tired doesn't quite capture the pain of a marathon.
Precisely. You can use worn out as well, but exhausted is more common and formal. Remember, these words are often used to describe physical or mental fatigue. Takeaway. When you feel you can't move another step, use the powerful word exhausted. Swap 5. Very hungry.
This is perfect for daily life conversations, especially when planning meals.
Instead of very hungry, we use starving. Starving is a strong word, meaning extremely hungry. It's often used hyperbolically in casual conversation. You probably aren't literally starving, but you mean you need food right now.
Like, I haven't eaten all day. I am starving.
Exactly. It conveys a sense of urgency and strong desire for food. Takeaway. Next time you skip lunch, let your colleague know you are starving. Now that we have our 5 swaps, freezing, amazing or excellent, exhausted, huge or enormous, and starving, let's put them to the test in a real podcast dialogue about a winter vacation. Listen closely for the natural usage. Hello, David. Welcome back. How was your trip to the mountains?
Eliza, it was amazing. But honestly, I was exhausted by the time I got home. The altitude change was huge.
Oh, I bet. Was it freezing up there? You did mention snow.
Absolutely freezing. I wore 4 layers and I was still shivering. My hotel room was great, though. The view was enormous, a massive window over the valley.
That sounds excellent. Did you eat well? Mountain food is often rustic, but so good. We did. One night we went to a little place, and by the time we got there, I was starving. I ate 3 bowls of soup. Everything about the trip was fantastic, honestly.
Notice how Eliza and David sound so much more descriptive and engaged than if they had just said very. We heard amazing, exhausted, huge, freezing, enormous, excellent, and starving.
Let's break down 2 key phrases from that dialogue for quick application. First, I was exhausted by the time I got home. This communicates extreme fatigue without the dullness of very tired. Try saying that sentence now. I was exhausted by the time I got home. Second, the view was enormous. Use this to describe any physical thing that is far beyond the normal size. Try repeating this one. The view was enormous. This practice brings us to our final and most crucial step, the shadowing drill. This is how you move these words from your head into your mouth. We will provide a simple sentence, pause for you to repeat it with the correct strong adjective, and then we will repeat it again. Remember to shadow our tone and rhythm. Shadowing drill. It's not very good, it's amazing.
Pause for listener repetition.
The dinner was amazing.
I'm not very tired. I'm exhausted.
Pause for listener repetition. I feel exhausted today.
It's not very cold. It's freezing.
Pause for listener repetition. The ocean water is freezing.
The building isn't very big. It's enormous.
Pause for listener repetition. That diamond is enormous.
I'm not very hungry. I'm starving.
Pause for listener repetition. I need to eat now. I am starving.
Excellent practice. Now you have 5 powerful tools to remove your reliance on very. We delivered the promise we made at the start. You now have the strong, natural adjectives to instantly upgrade your speaking.
Remember, the goal isn't just to learn new words, but to actively replace old habits.
The easiest way to remember these is to practice in sets. Today, focus on replacing very cold with freezing every single time you feel the chill. Tomorrow, focus on exhausted. Repetition is the key to confidence.
We strongly encourage you to keep listening and shadowing with us. We create these calm, focused lessons specifically to help you build real speaking confidence day by day.
If you found this focused lesson helpful and you want to keep receiving these clear, step-by-step guides to natural English, please hit the subscribe button now. It ensures you never miss a new vocabulary upgrade or speaking drill.
And let us know in the comments below which of the 5 swaps you are going to use first: freezing, amazing, exhausted, enormous, or starving.
Keep practicing these strong words today. We'll be here next time with more practical tools to make your English shine. Goodbye for now.